Check out this Dodge 2020 Durango GT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include engine, 3.6L V6 24 VVT UPG1 with ESS, STD, blacktop package included, wheels 20-inch x 8.0 inches high gloss black aluminum GT gloss black badging gloss black badges gloss black exterior mirrors, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, STD, quick order package 2BD GT included, engine 3.6L V6 24 VVT UPG1 with ESS transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, DB black clear coat, wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 high gloss black aluminum, second row fold tumble captain chairs included, second row mini console with cup holders, second row seat mounted inboard armrest, 6 passenger seating, third row floor mat and mini console, blind spot and chrome